Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new. So today is a very special day. It's February 11th, which is my birthday. I'm turning 24 today. I don't look 24. I think I look 12 without makeup, but that's fine because like when I'm 50, maybe I'll look 20 something. No, but right now I'm in a Zoom meeting, but we don't have to show our face and like we're on mute because it's like a massive meeting, not for us really. Well, like I was paying attention, but right now it's not to us or anything, so it's not like that important. But I wanted to come on here, start a vlog. I do need to get back to work. I'm going out to dinner. I live in New York City for those of you who don't know, and I'm going out to dinner. My parents are coming in with my two brothers. My boyfriend's coming with us, and one of my girlfriends from home who's like a really close family friend, she's coming, Jamie. And then I have dinner tomorrow. My boyfriend's taking me to dinner. Tomorrow, indoor dining resumes. So tonight we're doing like heated outdoor, and then tomorrow we're doing indoor at STK. And then Saturday, I'm doing dinner with all my girlfriends indoor at a Mexican restaurant. So we're doing Italian, steakhouse, Mexican this weekend, which I'm so excited about. But yeah, so I figured I'd make it into like a birthday weekend vlog and actually vlog for the entire weekend and stick to it. So I'm holding myself accountable. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. We're hectic. Sorry if you hear them. I applied Bali Body self-tanner last night. My face is looking a little pale, but I also did a Barry's workout class this morning at 7 a.m. and I rinsed. So what I did is I applied the Bali Body. I did a video on this Bali Body self-tanner review, so definitely go check that out. I love it so much, the Mousse. And I applied it yesterday around 3 o'clock. I like worked out, showered, shaved, exfoliated, applied it on my body, and then rinsed at midnight, like right before midnight, went to bed because I didn't want to get it on my sheets. I was nervous and I just thought it was easier. I didn't want to wake up and shower before a workout and like, you know. So then rinsed, washed my face, and then I woke up, rinsed my face, and then worked out and just showered. So I feel like that's why I'm feeling already a little paler on my face. But it's okay because we can always just reapply a little bit more. But yeah, so this is a really long intro, but make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. This is probably gonna go up, I don't know when, but it's currently February 11th. So I don't know when this is gonna be up, but I'm just saying the date so you guys can like reference when this is. Valentine's Day is Sunday. I don't know what me and Drew are doing. I feel like Valentine's Day is a little overrated. Like the first year you're dating, yes, go out to dinner, celebrate Valentine's Day. I think it should always be a fun date night every Valentine's Day. I think date nights are super important, keep the relationship alive and fun and cute and all that good stuff. But I think we might like cook dinner together, have a bottle of wine, watch a movie, something just easy, because I feel like I'm just constantly going out to dinner like 3 days in a row, and we're already going out to dinner Friday, so it's like birthday Valentine's Day, and then we'll cook on Valentine's Day or something cute. But we'll see where this vlog takes us. But anyway, also guys, some of you have reached out to me on Instagram and wished me a happy birthday, I guess because you follow me and you see me reposting all my friends' stories for my birthday. So thank you guys so much. If you DM'd me or any birthday message that you sent to me, thank you so much. I read them all, I comment back, I reply back. So thank you guys so much. Love you all. And let's get started. I look crazy, but it's okay. I'm living for it. Guys, look what Drew got me. I just got these delivered. They're so gorgeous. These are for Valentine's Day, but they came early. But also, like, it's my birthday, so it's like a mix. But the card was like Valentine's Day. So pretty. Okay guys, this was from my shopping haul part 4, but finally I got my cherry sweatsuit in. I'm so excited. I got the hoodie and matching joggers in the off black, and the pocket in the back is just everything. I'm gonna try this on and show you. And I also got my Frankies one piece So, oh, this is the back. And, I mean, I can show you an image of it on me. But, yeah, I finally got it. All right, here it is on. It says cherry and matte black. And then we got the joggers over here. And it says cherry matte black. And I'm obsessed with the pocket. Let me turn this way. The pocket on the butt. Can you see it? I love. Oh, this is a 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed. Also, just wanted to show I got a small, I don't know if you could see that, in the sweatshirt and an extra small in the joggers because I wanted the joggers to be more fitted and not look like too sloppy baggy. And I wanted the sweatshirt to be baggy. And I cannot wait to wear this. Okay, here is the one piece from Frankies Bikinis. I love how it goes high on the sides. Don't mind my slippers. I wear them on the rug because my rug sheds. But this is it. And then in the back, it kind of just looks like a bikini, which I love. And I think I'm gonna keep it. I think I love. Totally back in like PJs, but I put the cherry sticker on my phone. Look how cool. Came with that. Okay, so completely failed with vlogging yesterday when my parents came and my brothers came. They surprised me. But it was such a nice dinner. I think I got like a clip of cake because we came back here to sing happy birthday and have cake. We sat outside at La Pacor Bianca. But now I'm going to STK with Drew. And this is makeup, kind of like natural. And then I'll show you outfit in my big mirror. So these are the Spanx leggings, Joa Brown top tucked in, booties from Steve Madden. I think I said Zara last time, but they're Steve Madden. I just remembered. This is the look. So now I'm waiting for the Uber to get me, and then I'll probably sleep at Drew's tonight. And then tomorrow he's gonna sleep here, and he slept here last night. So please, Deanna, just remember to vlog. And all the jewelry is, I've like showed you guys all this jewelry. I can link what I can down below, but a lot of it's from New Top in New York City. Okay, just did makeup, curled hair, and I will show you guys my outfit. So these leggings are from BCBG. I got them like a while ago, and this is the first time I'm wearing them. I love the beige on the side and in the legs, like inner thigh. And this top is from LF. And the booties, Steve Madden booties again. But this is the outfit, and I'll show you guys the makeup flipped. So makeup, I kind of just did like a bronze, smoky, like more natural bronze eye, mascara, eyeliner, all my jewelry. I need to take off my Apple Watch and just keep my gold bracelets, all my jewelry, hoops. I think these are the ones from Mixology. And yeah, we're all ready to go. Bailey,
Come on.
come on, let's get you.
Booties,
Come
no
on.
booties. Come on, Bailey. Bailey's no booties. Okay?
Come on, Bailey.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come
Come
on.
on. Come on, let's go do poopies. Come on. We'll get used to it. Come on. Come on, Bailey. Let's go do poopies. Come on.
Just got my nails done. I'm obsessed with this color. I got my UV gel fill with like a round oval point shape. And the gel color, I think it was like F2, so I don't know what color that is, but I'm obsessed. Hey guys, so we're currently in Soho and we're at Dr. Smood or Schmood? Smood? Smood. I look crazy, but outfit. It's like really yucky out, but we got cashew milk lattes. It's good. Okay, so we just got back from shopping. I just want to close out this vlog. It's like a super random, scattered vlog, but I wore my Drew House beanie, which you saw earlier, sweatshirt, Skims leggings, just my Yeezys, and then I will show you guys. There's a few things that I want to show you that I got for my birthday. Okay, so first I'll show you what I got from Steve Madden. So I got these nude heels because I needed a new pair of nude heels. They look really weird in this lighting, but they're just like a nude color. I don't know why this lighting is making it look brown. Just like a nude heel. I actually have these in black, like velvet, kind of velvet. I don't know how to explain it, but I love my black ones. They're comfortable, so I got a pair of nude. And then these are what Drew got me, and I'm not scared to put them on my bed because I haven't even worn them yet. But they're the Nike Mid Blazers 77 or whatever, and I love these little silver stripes. They say Nike, and guys, look at the inside. They look so cool. Look how pretty. I'm obsessed with these, like obsessed. Okay, there's one more thing that I wanted to do, and I promised my friend Nicolette, who got this for me for my birthday. She sent me this ice cream, like these ice cream cookie sandwiches from this place called, I think it's Tipsy Scoops. And I turned 24, so obviously I'm allowed to have it. But I told her I would taste test it on my vlog, so I have to for you guys. Okay guys, so I literally saved them. Like, I didn't touch them. I didn't let anyone try them yet just because of the vlog. I wanted to put it on here. So she gave this with a card. I'm assuming these two are different. This is like the birthday funfetti cake, and this is a chocolate chip cookie. Oh my God. Nicolette, I love you. Thank you so much. You're the best. Okay. So we are going to taste test one of each, which is just, we'll do the funfetti one first, which I'm assuming it's like the cake batter one. It actually smells like alcohol a little bit. Hold on. We got to fix you guys. I'm going to like come down here. Wow. That cookie is delicious. And it doesn't taste like alcohol. Okay. That was really good. Now let's try the chocolate chip cookie. Here we go. Oh my God, Nicolette. That tastes like Bailey's. That is good. Nicolette, if you're watching this, that tastes like Bailey's. They are delicious. I'm obsessed, and now I can let people try them and eat them now. But this is the cutest thing. Oh, she's just so cute and like the best. I don't know how she thinks of this stuff. But yeah, so that wraps up my birthday vlog. That's coming like a week later. Okay, also, my friend Jamie got me this quick tan spray, the bronzing spray in medium dark. I've talked about this in one of my tanning videos. She got me hooked on this. I'm obsessed. She also got me this Bali Body peach tanning oil, which she's been raving about and she knows I've been wanting to try. And she also got me the pineapple tanning oil, and I'm so excited. Oh my God. And she also got me my favorite chapstick. This was such a thoughtful gift. I literally love everything. So those were some gifts that I got. My roommates got me a gift card to a spa, which I'm so excited to use. I got some bottles of champagne from some friends. My parents gave me a beautiful card with some money because, you know, I'm finally living on my own, and that's a little needed right now. And yeah, I got like the best gifts. I had the best birthday ever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next video, I will see you guys then. Make sure you guys are subscribed. All that good stuff. Comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. I got some pictures that I posted on Instagram today in Soho. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.